Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Preet and I cook everything at home. So today we are baking a baklava. It's a Turkish dish. So let's get started. पफ पेस्ट्री यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट्स फ्रॉम अ वूवर्ड. और इस रेसिपी के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए 1 sheet because I'm the only one to eat. My husband doing a dieting, so just 1 sheet enough for me. And we need walnuts, pistachios and cashews. And you can use the almond as well if you like it.
And I'm using a 50 gram of butter. Using a pizza cutter. If you have the other one, you can use whatever you like. So I'm going to cut 3 layers. Yes, that's it. Is ready. You can see that. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.